Hello and welcome to Nanalalacrafts. Today we're going to make this cute little elephant and we're going to make it from a milk bottle. It's just an ordinary milk bottle. You need to take the lid off and very carefully, with either a craft knife or a pair of scissors, cut off the extra piece around the top of the bottle. Craft knives are brilliant, but please remember that they are extremely sharp, so you need to keep them away from little fingers. When you've done that, you will have some spare plastic left over. You need to cut out a little circle which will fit on the top. Obviously not quite big enough. Fit on the top, and you'll probably find that something like Yoo-hoo glue is the best medium to stick it firmly before you start covering it with tissue. The other thing you need to do is, with a felt tip pen, draw out the legs. I've already done this, but just to give you an idea, the legs of the elephant, and then again you can either cut those with the craft knife or with a pair of scissors. This is going to be the elephant's trunk, so you just cut it off at an appropriate length, and you have to cut it again and you'll be covering this with tissue, so that won't show. What you need now is tissue paper, and you can buy tissue paper in packs of various colours, and you need to rip it up into tiny pieces. Best not to use scissors because it looks much nicer if you just have ragged edges. And then you need PVA glue. Spread the PVA glue. This is quite a nice part, a messy part, and then start sticking your tissue paper. I've only used 3 colours on this demonstration, but as you can see on the finished article, there are lots and lots of colours. And you just keep going round until you've completely covered the elephant. And then you need to do the ears, make the ears again from the spare that you've got, and cover those and make a slit in the side so that when you've covered the ear you can just slot that in. And I've secured it on the inside with a piece of tape. To make it even more fun, I've plaited a little tail and put a ribbon on it, just make a hole, push it through, and then put some glue. It's got your wobbly eyes, and I've made this little elephant a crown. To add even more interest, I've used individual pearl stickers on the tissue paper. So all you need is milk bottle, tissue paper, wobbly eyes, craft knife or scissors, PVA glue, and lots of patience, and have fun. It really is quite simple to do. You don't have to cut things, you can rip them, and in the end you've got a colourful little chap like this, which is an addition to anybody's room. So I hope you enjoy making it, and I'd like you to subscribe, push the subscribe button, and also message me and ask me for any future workshops that you'd like me to work on. And I look forward to seeing you in the near future.